Welcome back to the workshop, Handyman. It's getting close to fall. I've done finished mowing, I think, for the season, at least with my little push mower. I like to do a little bit of end-of-year maintenance on it, and so I just kind of want to go over what I do like to do with it. We'll go ahead and run this. We ran it until it ran out of gas, so we don't have any old gas left in it for next year. That gets everything out of it except for maybe a little bit down in the bottom of the float. But if you leave your gas in there, it can collect moisture over the winter time, and that's not good. Some of your gas stabilizers help, but I'm a believer of draining it out and let it sit as dry as possible over the winter. We are going to go ahead and clean it up. We're going to check the blade real quick, see if we need new blades for it for next year. We'll set it up to get the oil change. These blades don't look real bad. We might take them off and sharpen them up, but they're not eat up from the sand, so that's a good sign. But it's real dirty. I've hosed it off a little bit, but it doesn't look as clean as I like it. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is break out my favorite cleaning supply, and that, as you've seen many times before, the old Super Clean does a fantastic job. We're going to go ahead and clean this thing up. Spray it down real quick, show you what it looks like with a brand new mower ready to go. Easier to work on, clean equipment. So that's what we'll start out with. Okay, so we sprayed it down actually twice with Super Clean and just hosed it back off. There's no scrubbing, nothing was done. If I wanted to really get those little nitty-gritty spots, I could surely hit it with just a little brush and do it. But this has got us good for ready to go with the rest of the engine. Make sure everything's good. We'll check the oils, make sure we need to change that for next season. Pull the air filter out of it, make sure we're good on that. Just get the parts and pieces ready to go for next year, so when we are ready, we'll just have to put some fresh gas in it and fire it up. So we'll go ahead, and on this one I'll just take the screw off. That'll get us into our air filter. Like I say, we'll check our oil. That's really pretty simple, and that oil looks almost brand new, so I don't think we'll probably change that again this year. There's no sense if it's not even black. If you keep up with it, it usually doesn't get too bad. So, and like I say, we'll check to make sure we don't need to sharpen the blades, but don't look like they're in bad wore out shape. So anyways, just a few recommendations. I think I'll throw a quick note out to you. Just make sure you do your winterization on all your equipment. Your small 2-cycle engines on your weed eaters and your chainsaws, whatever you're not planning on using this winter, make sure you winterize those. We'll probably try to come out with another couple handy hints on those as time gets to it, but that'll do it for here. Thanks for watching, and we'll check with you next spring, see how easy this one fires up after we've done a few simple little maintenance tricks and not have to worry about it in the spring. See you then.